Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to update your sale listings status in StreetEasy. Go to My Listings, find your listing, and then hit Edit for the appropriate listing. Of course, you can always hit Load More if you don't find it. Once there, go to the Unit tab, and you'll see we actually just did this change. So it was previously active and we hit delisted. And what's interesting about StreetEasy is the moment you hit delist, there's no confirmation actually. It actually immediately switches to an off-market status. So you go to this field right here, status, and here are all the available status changes. So you hit delist, there's no confirmation or pop-up, it immediately delists. To make it active again, we'd have to affirm that it is in fact active. Now it is active. And to mark it as in contract, you would certainly do this. And then the interesting thing about StreetEasy is there is no confirmation. It may be a bit of a design flaw, but it doesn't ask you to confirm. When you select the pop down, it just simply executes. So then for sold, they do require some additional information. So if you do want to hit sold, then you would enter the closing price. If there was a buyer's agent, you would hit yes, and it probably will ask you for the buyer agent's name. Hit next, you enter the buyer agent's name. Hit next, and then you enter the commission. Again, it's more important the actual co-broke commission. This is the amount that's offered to buyers brokers. You don't have to enter the gross commission, we believe. And then you confirm the information here, and then you hit change status and publish. So this is a great opportunity to confirm the closing details. So as you can see, basically on StreetEasy, the other listing statuses confirm immediately, but for the sold listing status, you do need to confirm a few additional details, primarily closing price, buyer agent, and they do like to ask for the commission, so you can publish that as well, and then you hit change and publish. But for the other listing statuses, you simply select. And of course, if you wish to delist, we recommend just hitting delist, not temporarily off market. We only allow delist at Hauseit for our agent-assisted FSBO listings. So you simply hit delist, and it is already delisted. So you go view listing, you can confirm the change. It's been delisted. So there you have it. That's how you update a sale listings status on StreetEasy to either in contract, sold, or delisted. We hope you found this video helpful. My name is Chris at Hauseit. Check out hauseit.com to learn more about how you can save money when buying or selling real estate in New York or Florida. And of course, please feel free to join us if you're a real estate agent. We're always looking to hire great talent. And we hope to see you on the next one.